Hello everybody, Ben here from Nova Music Center, and today we're going to be checking out the Vintera 60's Mustang bass by Fender. This thing is sweet. If you're a guitar player transferring over to bass, this is like the perfect instrument. Being a short scale bass, everything's there. It just feels very normal for a guitar player. Something else I really love is, even with how small it is, this is a very nice chunky neck. When you grab that, it just feels right. So what we've got going on here is just a normal volume and a tone. It's got a Pau Ferro fretboard and a maple neck. So I'm just going to play a few things for you guys. I'm running it through a direct signal into my computer, going through Ampire. It's an amp simulation plugin, so you guys can hear what it sounds like. So here's tone off. Tone on. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video today and checking it out. If you enjoyed this demo, go ahead and hit the like button and consider subscribing. This instrument is available on our Reverb page right now. That link will be down below. If you're interested in the instrument, go ahead and check out that link. Alright, until the next video, we'll see you later. Have a good one.